Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. I know it has been a minute since I did an update for my weight loss vlog, and I will explain why in a second. Before I get started, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down there so you are notified when I post. It's not going to be a long vlog like my first one. I kind of just want to get right through it, show you guys where I'm at. I told you guys I would update you guys every 2 to 3 weeks, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, jump on the scale, show you guys where I'm at, then we can sit down, eat some breakfast together, and I'll kind of explain to you guys my struggles personally with my weight loss journey and where I plan to go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, I'm gonna hop on that scale, and I'll be right back. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much where I started off at. I'm personally disappointed in myself, but we'll get into that in a second. I already made me some food. Sorry, my bed's a mess, you know, I didn't clean it yet. I already made me some food, but I didn't eat yet. I wanted to do like a quick weigh-in. I'm just going to eat 2 boiled eggs and a piece of toast, and then I made me a matcha latte. If you guys want to know how I make my matcha latte, I make it a lot healthier than other lattes that I've seen online, because I'm still like trying to count calories and stuff and be somewhat healthy. But if you guys are interested in that, I can totally make a separate video on that. Just let me know. Okay guys, so like I said, it's not going to be like a really long vlog because I don't want you guys to get like super bored of hearing me talk, but I do still want to keep you guys updated and be real with you guys. So when I posted my first video, the day that I did my actual weigh-in for the video was on the 13th of March, and I weighed in at 174. I did insert a clip from the day before that on the 12th, and I was 176. So guys, I'm pretty much, like I said, I'm back to where I started. And you know, I'll be honest, it really sucks. As most of you guys know, I did take quite a long break from social media, and I went on a trip with my family back to Hawaii, back home, and I think that's pretty much where all the damage came from. I ate really well while I was there because I don't get like my island food, my Hawaiian food out here in North Carolina. So when I went back home, I was all like, okay, pass it to me. The lau lau, kalua pig, lomi salmon, pipikaula, poi, poke, rice, anything. And the food, guys, the food is ono. If you guys ever go to Hawaii, guarantee, Garens, Raja, the food is ono there. So ono meaning delicious. So if you guys ever go to Hawaii, be prepared to fall off track like I did. So besides going on my trip, when I got back from my trip, I was still really sad having to come back home and just get back into routine. It just really kind of sucked, and it put a downer on me. So I had no motivation to even like film or put makeup on. I'm just gonna munch on some toast. Does anybody else like eating just plain toast like this? There's my son. Guys, I'm going to do a separate video on how to make this matcha. So you guys are probably wondering, why are you doing this video if you pretty much had zero progress and you're just starting off at where you were in your first video? Okay, so I'm doing this video because I want you guys to know, and I got this idea from Jay. If you're going to open up and share your weight loss journey, you have to share the good and the bad. I don't want to say that I did absolutely horrible, because honestly, before I did this weigh-in, I was a lot more. When I got back from my trip, and you know, I was just in that state where I just didn't want to do anything, I got back into the 80s. So to be back into the 70s, I'm not mad. You know, I've been trying to watch what I eat for the past few days, and then I just decided, hey, I might as well update you guys, because the reality is that progress is not always going to be good. So the big thing for me that got me, you know, like, okay, I need to get back into it, is not only the number on the scale, but I look up pictures of you know, girls who work out and they have these amazing bodies. I won't like look it up, but I follow these Instagram pages of girls and their weight loss journeys. And you guys, some of these pages on Instagram, their journeys are just amazing. They lose up to 100 pounds and they just look like a whole new person, and they look so much happier, and that's what I want for myself. So yeah, my goal right now is to lose about 30 pounds at least. I want to lose 30 pounds, guys. That's gonna be my goal. And then when I get down to that, I'll try, you know, to tone out and whatever. Today is Tuesday, May 8th, okay? And I am weighing in at 176. So I'm gonna go ahead and update my book, because I am keeping track of my weight and when I'm actually updating you guys. I'll show you guys right here. 176, 174, 176. I mean, it's not bad, you guys. I lost 2 pounds, I gained it back, but really, in reality, I gained a lot more, you guys. So I've been actually trying to shed more weight before I did this update video, but I was like, let's just be real for a second. Not everybody's weight loss journey is going to be successful. Everybody is going to have moments where they fall back. So yeah, you guys, I know I didn't really eat in this one, but I just wanted to share my personal struggle with you guys and let you guys know that I am back on track. Perfect. Before I get any comments on my breakfast, I am gonna have fruit after this, but there are a lot of there's a lot of stuff in here that is really good for me as well. I'll do a separate video on that. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll do a separate video on that, so you guys can know all about matcha and how it's really, really good for you. But yeah, you guys, so that is pretty much my update for my weight loss. Did I lose any weight from the last time I updated you guys? No, I gained 2 pounds. I am back on this journey. I will update you guys every 2 to 3 weeks. I promise this time. I am really trying to motivate myself to, you know, be healthier and just improve myself for me, because I've never been one to fully like love myself, and I want to be able to wake up one day and say, hey, you look beautiful, you look awesome, and just 100% feel like, you know, like I love myself. I want to honestly be able to say that I love myself. So yeah, you guys, I am just going to cut the video off from here. I'm going to finish up my breakfast. I have a lot of things that I need to do today, and my son just woke up, so I'm going to make him some breakfast. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this updates and the realness. Guys, if you guys are on a weight loss journey for yourself and you guys, you know, you feel like you just messed up all your progress and you put some more weight on, don't feel discouraged. You know, that's just another reason for you to start. Push harder, and then keep in mind your goals for yourself and why you're doing it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little update. Don't forget, you guys are beautiful and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha.